Hello guys, it's Lizzy. Today I'm finally going to dye my hair and also get a haircut today because I haven't done my hair for like a year, and you can clearly see the line here, like the bottom half is all brown but the upper half is all black. So I'm finally going to dye my hair today before I'm off college, and I have an appointment like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so let's go. So I'm all covered up and ready to dye my hair. While I was waiting, they brought me some lemonade and some snacks.
A few moments later.
They just finished putting dye on my hair. I still have to sit here and wait for a while. They just finished blow drying my hair, and my hair is so messy right now, like all the baby hairs are out, and I still have to wait for a while to have my hairdresser give me a haircut. Anyway, this is my new hair color. Do you guys like my new hair color? A lot lighter than what I would normally do, but I think it is pretty. Hello guys, I'm back home right now and I'm on the balcony, so you can see my hair color directly under the sun. Even though it is gloomy outside, but we can still see the difference when I'm standing outside instead of inside. So this is my hair color. This brown is actually a lot lighter than what I would normally do. It is called hazelnut brown and I really like it. And it really matches my eye color because I have brown eyes. So I really do like this look. And I'm sorry I did not show you guys more footage of them dyeing my hair and cutting my hair because one, I'm still a little bit awkward like filming in the public, especially holding a camera and talking to the camera. That's kind of like insane. And I'm sure I will improve in the future because of course I will do more vlogging, so I will try to get better with that. And another thing is that I try not to move while they are cutting my hair because if I move a lot, then they are more than likely going to make some mistakes, and I don't really want that to happen. I want my hair look to be perfect, and it really turned out well. Because if I was holding the camera, then I have to adjust the angles and anything else, and then I would move a lot, and that would be a lot of trouble for my barber. So I don't really want that to happen. So I'm sorry I did not show you guys more of the footage, and I hope I will show you guys more of the footage in the future if I do vlog again. So basically that's it, and I'm really happy with my hair look and my new hair color. So if you like this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.